Hello and welcome to the English news from SMS Somali TV. Puntland Regional State of Somalia has accused Somaliland of attacking its territory. The Minister of Information of the Puntland Regional State of Somalia, Mr. Mahmoud Dir, who held a conference in Garowe City on today, accused the Somaliland administration of attacking the Puntland territory and giving support to Al-Shabaab fighters, as he said. Many troops from Somaliland have gathered at the border between Puntland and Somaliland, and it is feared that a war will break out between them. The United States has donated 24 armored personnel carriers to the African Union mission peacekeeping in Somalia 3 months after the deadly attack in Yaz on the US-backed peacekeeping mission. The handover, attended by US Ambassador to Somalia, His Excellency Larry, and senior officials of the African Union transition mission in Somalia, took place on Thursday in Somalia's capital, Mogadishu. The 24 armored personnel carriers donated by the US government will boost the AU forces' capability to fight militant group of Al-Shabaab. The specialized vehicles will be used by the AU Djiboutian contingent in joint military operations with the Somali National Army in and around Beledweyne, the capital of Somalia's central region of Iran. The military, supported by the US, comes as Somalia's new president Hassan Sheikh Mohamud announced that he is determined to wage war against Al-Shabaab militarily as well as on economic and ideological grounds. The Somali military said it conducted an operation against Al-Shabaab in Somalia's central Hiran region this week, killing 30 Al-Shabaab fighters. In May, US President Joe Biden authorized redeployment of US troops to Somalia to help fight the militants. The government of Uganda will host a conference on strengthening relations with Somalia, with the meeting of ministerial committees from the two countries. The Ugandan Ministry of Foreign Affairs said that the main objective of the conference, which will take place in Kampala in the coming days, is to strengthen the relationship between the two countries. The issues that the two committees will discuss include how to promote bilateral cooperation in the fields of diplomacy, politics, trade and investment, defense cooperation, agriculture, migration, education and transport. The President of Uganda, Yoweri Kaguta Museveni, and his Somali counterpart Hassan Sheikh Mohamud will speak at the meeting with private businessmen and businessmen of the two countries, encouraging businessmen to take advantage of the business opportunities of the two countries. Well, the new cabinet ministers appointed by Prime Minister Hamza Abdi Barre has created doubts among the central government and regional governments. Members of the regional administration who spoke to SMS television said that the way Prime Minister Hamza appointed the cabinet is against the development of federalism and good governance. The heads of state governments that the appointed government has particularly touched include President Abdulaziz Leftigran and Ahmed Abdi Karia, who saw in the new cabinet individuals who are particularly opposed to them. According to the reports, the leaders of the regional administrations are going to consultative meetings on the phone to prevent political threats from the named ministers. The news adds to that the leaders of some states are planning secret trips to Ethiopia to get political support from there. The Ethiopian government seems to be dissatisfied with the political process of the new government, which can be felt from the trips of the new president of Somalia to the countries of the Horn of Africa and the Arabs that are not included in Ethiopia. The Speaker of the U.S. House of Representatives, Nancy Pelosi, has given a press conference in Tokyo, where she defended her recent visit to Taiwan. She said that America will not allow China to isolate Taiwan, but also that her tour of Asia was not intended to change the status quo in the region.
They may try to keep Taiwan from visiting or participating in other places, but they will not isolate Taiwan by preventing us to travel there.
The Chinese military has conducted massive live-fire drills around Taiwan in response to this week's visit by Mrs. Pelosi. Taiwan's defense ministry says that multiple Chinese vehicles and aircraft have crossed the informal line dividing the Taiwan Strait between the island and the mainland China for a second day. Alright, we are running out of time, so we are going to have to leave our news here. And thank you for watching. You can see the news again anytime by visiting our website, SNSomali.tv. And for further discussion, go to our Facebook page, that is facebook.com/SNSomali.tv. You can also join our news on Twitter. Our handle is at SMS Somali TV. For me, Abdulkadir Fiidka, and the whole team here, bye for now.
Hayat Market. Hello, assalamu alaikum. Waadek.com.
وعليكم السلام ورحمة الله وبركاته.
ولا سودو.
وندوه ولا الدلب كي من سو جاري.
دلب كاري من سو جاري.
آدي آدم هسنتين يسودي إن شاء الله.
إن شاء الله وكوسو أدينا سلو ناسين.
آدم هسنتين والله thank you.
dariiqaan mari waayey roob ayay igu da'aya duruusteedii la laabiyo wax kastoo daninayso dalbo oo gurigaada daqiiqad bay ku imaaneen dabkaada caddayso
xayaad waa ina deeqday wixii intaasi dheeree faahfaahinana kala xidhiidh telefoonnada shaashada kaaga muuqda ama la soo deg abka adeeg.com